Let's see. Okay, with your help, I can finish it today itself. Boys have done, and they have started with the third chapter. I missed out so many lectures of yours, so I thought that why not take Poya ma'am's lecture? And she was kind enough to give me. I hope you don't mind, girls. Hello,
Yes,
girls,
ma'am.
Yes,
can you
ma'am.
hear me? I said, I hope you don't mind me taking Poya ma'am's lecture.
No,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
No,
Okay.
ma'am.
Now, this is esophagus and this is stomach, right, beta? Again, practicing. Esophagus or food pipe. I'm repeating again and again, beta. And stomach. Is it clear?
Yes.
Is it clear,
Yes.
beta?
Yes.
Now see over here.
Yes, ma'am.
What is this? Say.
Liver.
Liver.
What is this? What is this written? Pancreas. What is written?
Pancreas.
Pancreas. Okay?
Pancreas.
Yeah. And what is this? Gallbladder. What is this, beta? Gallbladder. Say. So liver produces
Gallbladder.
bile.
Gallbladder.
Liver
Bladder.
produces bile, which is stored in gallbladder. Right, beta?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. And this pancreas produces pancreatic juices and digestive enzyme, which helps in the digestion of the food in the small intestine. Is it clear? So liver,
Yes, ma'am.
pancreas, and gallbladder all helps in the digestion of food in the small intestine.
Small intestine.
Is it clear?
Yes.
Now we come to see what I'm doing. You understood? In three parts. We have cut it in three parts. Now you can see this the pink one, the soft pink one, highly coiled. This much is the small intestine. What is it, beta? Small
Small
intestine. Right, beta?
intestine.
Small intestine.
And this one, the brown shaped structure, thick one. Yes, this
Yes.
is large intestine. Is it clear?
Large
Yes.
intestine.
How nature has made a body. You understand?
Yes.
Now,
Yes, ma'am.
now humans over.
Ma'am,
Please
can I
put off
read?
your mic. Just a moment. Let me finish one thing. The human digestive system is over. Ask me if at all you have any doubts.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
It is difficult. That's why I'm asking you, Vida. Do you find it difficult?
No.
Ma'am, I
No?
have a question.
No, ma'am.
Tell me.
Ma'am, till tomorrow, what you have done in science?
Till tomorrow or yesterday?
Yesterday.
You can ask your friends better. I do not have any lecture of yours. Yesterday there was no lecture of yours. Are you a newcomer?
No, ma'am, but I was well sick, but then that's why I'm not joining the class. From today, I'm
Okay.
joining.
Okay. For how many days you were sick?
Ma'am, from 20 or 15 days.
Oh, oh, oh. Okay. Just a moment. Rabia?
Yes, ma'am.
Rabia, are you there? So can you help this child better? Can you help your friend? Who
Regarding
is
notes,
asking? Regarding notes, exactly. Who is asking?
I've already sent.
To
She
her?
already asked. Yes,
Then why she is asking again?
I don't know.
Okay. What about the uploaded video? Have you sent the uploaded video as well?
No, because the links have been sent in the group. No, and she's in the group, so I did not send that.
Okay. Yeah, that's nice. That's true. Even the notes are given in the group.
Yes, but they say that we have to scroll down, or I've done clear chat. I've deleted the files. They take out new excuses,
Yes.
so I just sent.
Yeah, understood, understood. Okay, beta, Rabia has always sent you, so why you asking me?
Ma'am, she tells that I send all subject, but science and math take it from other.
No, but then I sent it
Listen, listen.
for.
No, I can understand what you are saying, but what I want to know is if you are in the group, you have to scroll everything. It's not regarding science, it's regarding all the subjects, beta.
And ma'am, I've sent all the subjects in educational group,
Okay, fine.
including
Ma'am, please
science.
send science PDF.
Yes, beta.
Science PDF.
And for 15, 20 days you were sick, so you were waiting for someone to help you out. It should not be like this. If you are sick, then the very next day you should, like be particular about getting all the notes. Do you understand? You waited
Yes.
for 15, 20 days.
मैम
I
मैम
find it
आई
very strange. I find it very
मैम मैं
strange.
हिंदी में बोलूँ मैम मेरा एनर्जी का जो है वो मैं मतलब एडमिट एनर्जी का बात जो है वो
तो आप
मैं
एडमिट
बता
थी?
रही
ओके, ओके, ओके.
घर पे
And
मैम
when you came
एनर्जी
home,
का
okay. When you came home,
मैम फ्रॉम
so I think she
मैम
needs help with it. Yeah, I understand. I
मैम आई एम
understand. No
इन
problem. You're in the group. Are you in the group?
यस मैम
Then if you scroll it, you will get all the information about it because you need to go to the uploaded video as well. Only the
ओके
question answers will not help you better. You have to go to the, like the lecture I'm taking right now, excuse me, you will go through the uploaded video so you will understand better. You cannot understand the question answers without going to the uploaded video. So please go through the uploaded video, subject wise. Is it clear?
ओके मैम
Don't worry, you will have
ओके
time.
मैम
Huh? Take one lesson every day. Take science, go through all the uploaded videos. Then only you will understand the question answers.
ओके मैम
Although I've
Okay?
sent question answers in group, I'll again send her in personal.
Okay, beta. Do that. Thank you, beta. She needs help because she was admitted. Ah, beta. So I will be
Yes, ma'am.
helpful. I will be thankful, not helpful. I will be thankful to all of you if you could help her out, beta. Is it clear? Because what is happening in my case, I cannot send because I delete everything. Or my this
मैम
thing. Yes, beta. Yes,
Ma'am,
yes.
can
Tell
I
me.
read?
Ah, okay. You can read, beta. Now we are going to talk about animals. Humans are over. So do you think you know everything about humans? So I'm glad. It makes me happy. Now we are going to start with grass-eating animals. Yes, start better. They are called as ruminants.
Ma'am, can I answer?
Yes, Aina.
Yes.
Aina, you have to read properly. I stopped you earlier. Remember that.
Okay,
Start.
ma'am. Digestion in grass-eating animals. Rumination.
Okay.
Grass-eating animals like cow and buffaloes quickly swallow the grass and store it in a separate part of the stomach called human.
Yes.
Here the food is thoroughly digested and is called curd.
Okay.
Then the curd is brought back to the mouth in small lumps and chewed. The process
This
is called
process,
rumination.
you will not change
This
this to the
process
and the to this. Remember that. I will cut your five
this
marks.
process is this process is called rumination. The
Okay.
chewed food then
Passes.
passes into a snack like structure between the small intestine and large intestine. The calculus
Cellulose.
cellulose in the grass is digested with the help of some bacteria.
Good. Now let's see how the, it's very simple, isn't it? See, in one slide it gets over. The grass-eating animals, for example, cows, buffaloes, what they do, you have observed, you have seen them, they're always chewing something in the mouth. The mouth is always moving. Have you observed that in the cows and buffaloes? They keep on chewing continuously. Hello, hello, girls.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, what I
Yes.
said just
Yes,
now.
ma'am.
Their mouth keeps moving. Their mouth is always moving. Have you observed that?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes? Okay. Why it's moving always? Because when they take grass inside their mouth, they don't chew it. They bite it, half chewed, and put it in the stomach. And when they are sitting at one place or they are not doing anything, they take the half chewed, partly digested food, which is called curd. It vomits out. It comes out from the stomach to the mouth. And then they start chewing it.
Chewing.
This process is called as rumination. Do you understand what is happening?
Yes.
All of
Yes.
you? All of you?
Yes, ma'am.
So,
Yes, ma'am.
when they take the grass from the soil, please close your speaker. Close your mic. Thank you. So, when they eat the grass, it is half chewed. Yes, beta. It mixes with the saliva and it goes straight to the a part of the stomach, which is called as rumen. Now, in the rumen, the food is partly digested and it is formed as it is called as curd. When the animal is not doing anything, it's just sitting idle. This curd, this partly digested food, is thrown back into the mouth in small parts and then they start chewing for complete digestion. This is called as rumination. After it got chewed properly, this goes into a bag-like structure. What is meaning of sac beta? Bag-like structure, which is in between the small intestine and the large intestine. I will show you. See, this is eating grass. It is chewed. This is the portion. This portion. Human. You understand now? So what is present over here, beta? What is present?
Odd.
Good.
Curd.
Understood now? Now the
Yes.
animal is not doing anything. It is sitting idle. It's sitting idle. It's not doing anything. What happens? This curd again comes back to the mouth in small pieces, in small lumps. And then it starts chewing again nicely. This process is known as, what it is known as, beta?
Mastication.
Mastication. This much is understandable now?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Now after mastication, it is chewed now. After mastication, it goes to the this much portion. Remember, this is the small intestine and this is the large intestine. I'll show you. Somewhere here, it will be stored. Okay, the chewed food, where the bacteria present. And what is the bacteria does? It digests the cellulose which is present in the grass. Understood? Understood? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
You understood?
Yes, ma'am.
So, what is
Yes.
digested in this? The cellulose is digested. Is it clear? This complete portion is known as stomach. This is called as stomach.
Stomach.
This is small intestine. And this portion is the large intestine. Is it clear? Understood this much? But you observe this, the stomach and the small intestine so small. Right, beta? as compared to humans? Do you have any problem, beta?
No, ma'am.
No problem, ma'am.
Same thing again. Now you have to tell me, is there anything new in this slide? Now, which is this animal? Looks like cow. This is also a cow. It's a Jersey cow. Okay, start. Start to read.
Ma'am, can I read?
Yes, who is it?
Area Fiza.
Okay, Fizzer. Start.
Okay, ma'am. Digestion in grass. Eating animals.
Adjust
Rumi-
your mic. Background music is
Ma'am,
on.
there is a voice noise.
Thank you. Start.
okay, ma'am. Digestion in grass eating animals. Ruminates are known. None of the animal can digest cellulose, which is a major component of the food eaten by herbivores. The plant-eating animals digest their food in two slabs. Their stomach is divided into four chambers: the rumen, reticulum, omasum,
Abomasum. Abomasum.
and abomasum. First of all,
Again, just a moment. Beta, Fizzer, and the rest of the seventh standard. Again,
yes,
I've done the detailing, but you don't have to learn anything. Is it clear?
yes,
Whatever I give you as a question answers or extra question, that only you have to learn. These are only
yes,
for the information for you don't have to think about it. I'm showing you everything.
hmm,
When you learn later, you already know about it. That is what I'm telling you. Is it clear?
yes.
Okay. Next.
First of all, half-chewed food is swallowed and it then goes from mouth to the rumen, the first chamber of the stomach. Here, it is acted upon by bacteria. This microorganisms digest the cellulose.
Anything new in this slide, beta? Or is it the same? Do you find it the same as we had done earlier?
Yes,
Yes. Only a bit of new. What is the new thing, beta? What is the new thing? The herbivores. Grass-eating animals we are talking about, they are called as herbivores, right, beta? And
yes,
it is done in two steps. I told you what are the two steps. First, they take it, the grass, and then put it in the lumen, isn't it? And then it comes back as a curd in the mouth, and they do the mastication. That is the two ways of digesting the food. That is grass, right, beta? Right or no? Hello. So
yes,
what they
ma'am.
do? What is the first step? What is the first step, beta?
Put the
The
grass on the
half-chewed
mouth.
food is swallowed and it goes to the lumen. That is the first step, right, beta? Yes, it is stored in the lumen. Half-chewed food is swallowed and from mouth it goes to the lumen of the stomach. That's the first step. Then what is the second step? It becomes curd. The curd is thrown back to the mouth in pieces and then they chew it again. The process is called as mastication. When it is chewed properly, it is thrown back to the stomach again and it is in between the small intestine and the large intestine, the cellulose is acted upon by bacteria for further digestion. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Continue.
Okay, ma'am. This half digested food goes to the second muscular chamber, the reticulum. From the reticulum, the
There's a full
food is
stop, please. There's a full stop, you have to stop.
reticulum. From the reticulum, the food is sent back to the mouth as curd to be chewed again. Chewing of the curd is called
Rumination.
ruminations. Rumination and such animals are called ruminating animals or ruminates. Cow, goat, buffalo, sheep, bison, etc. are good example of ruminating animals. After digestion and absorption, nutrients from food are taken to the cells in all parts of the body. The cells oxidize the food to release energy.
Good. Thank you. Better. Be a bit louder. You have done well job, good job rather. Be a bit louder. Is it clear, beta?
Okay,
Is
ma'am.
that you? Okay. But you are doing well. So I will be commenting on all these aspects. Getting my point? And work accordingly to be the best. Now, what is the half digested food, beta? Which has come from the mouth, isn't it, beta? Hello? The half digested food is where, beta? Where is the half digested food, girls? In which place is it kept?
Second muscular chamber.
No, rumen. It is kept in rumen. Then it goes to the second muscular chamber. Where is it kept first? From the mouth, it goes straight to rumen. Didn't I teach you? Yes? Girls, can you hear me?
Yes.
That's what I said,
Yes,
no?
ma'am.
That it goes to
Yes,
the
ma'am.
rumen, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Ma'am.
So, yes? What happened? It stays as curd over there. In rumen, it stays as curd over there. From the rumen, it goes back to the mouth. And the animal starts chewing it again. This process is known as rumination, right? This process is known as rumination, and these animals are called as ruminating animals or ruminants. What are the examples? Cow, goat, buffalo, sheep, bison, that you know already. Now the grass is digested by the bacteria also, which is present in between the small intestines, large intestine, and it is. Please put up a mic. Please put up a mic, beta. After digestion, the body absorbs the nutrients. These nutrients are then taken to all parts of the body, that is cells, and then the cells, it starts respiring. During the cellular respiration, the food gets oxidized and it gives the energy to the cell, and from the cell, it generates the energy to the body. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we have got two respiration. One respiration that we are doing with the help of lungs, and the other respiration is the cells of the body. That is called a cellular respiration. When the cells of the body respires, then and then we get energy. We're respiring with the help of lungs, we don't get energy. Remember that. When the cells of the body respire, then and then you get energy. That means when you take food, please remember, not remember, please listen to me properly. When we take food or when we breathe, it goes into the lungs and then it mixes with the blood. Remember that, the oxygenated blood, and then it spreads through the body. Similarly, the digestion process, when I am taking food in my mouth and then it goes in my stomach, after 30 minutes, minimum half an hour, we get energy. As soon as you put food, do you get energy? No. Until else the body assimilates the nutrients after digestion, then and then only the body will be energetic. Is it understandable? Is it understandable better?
Yes, yes. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now this is your homework today. Short answer type questions. I read the question, one of you will take up the charge for reading the answers. What is a carnivorous animal? Give two examples.
Animals which eat the flesh of other animals are called carnivorous. Lion, etc. Lion, tiger.
Example, it is not etc. What is the function of the digestive juice secreted by the liver?
The digestive juice from the liver breaks up fat into tiny particles.
Name the organs that make up the alimentary canal.
mouth, or
Esophagus.
esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, and rectum are the parts of the
Rectum.
alimentary canal.
Name the four types of teeth.
The four types of
The
teeth
four
are
types of teeth.
incisors,
Pizza.
canines, premolars, and molars.
Pizza. Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
Carry
Yes,
on.
ma'am.
Carry on with me. Name the four compartments in a ruminant stomach. Pizza, carry on.
Four, four,
Yes, ma'am. Four compartments in a ruminate's stomach: rumen, reticulum, osmium, and
Abomasum.
abomasum.
Abomasum. You need not just write it down, but you will not remember that, okay? Because this is choose the correct answer. Please put off a mic, beta. Movement of food through alimentary canal is called by which of these terms? Answer. Read the answer only. Read the answer only, beta. What happened?
Peristal,
Peristalsis. Liver.
peristalsis.
The liver
Peristals.
produces which of these enzymes? Amylase, trypsin, lipase,
none
none
of
of
None
these.
these.
of these. None of
None
these.
of these.
Which of these is not a part of nutrition?
Excretion.
Extraction.
Digestive juice is not secreted by which of these
Liver,
organs?
Liver.
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 The walls of the large intestine absorb which of these?
Water.
Water.
Which of the following is not a part of ruminant stomach?
Nose.
anus,
Onions.
Yes.
Onions.
It is anus,
Anus.
better. What are you doing? Bile is produced by which organ?
liver,
Liver.
Liver.
Liver. Liver. Liver.
Will you stop it? Who was that, better? Pizza?
tarannum,
What, ma'am?
You know what? Don't ask me that question, better. What you did, you know that, isn't it? You should know the recording is known and how you have to behave. Don't you know that, better? Tarannum, do you know or not? Is she there?
What, ma'am?
Recording is on. How you behave right now? Was it good on your part?
No, ma'am.
Then be careful, better. You're growing up. No more in sixth standard. Okay, now we are going to another topic, the digestion in unicellular organism. What are we talking? Very simple organism we are taking. How the digestion takes place. So we'll do feeding and digestion in amoeba. Yes, please start to read. Hello. Please start to read, better. Give your name and start reading. Let me finish the chapter, better.
Ma'am, can I, Rabia?
Yes, better. I was just thinking of you. Literally, I was thinking of you.
Ma'am, can I Dhulia Fatima?
Let her continue, better, Rabia.
Okay, ma'am.
Feeding and digestion in amoeba. Amoeba is a single celled organism found in pond water. The cell has a cell membrane, cytoplasm, and a nucleus. The cytoplasm has many bubble like
Vacuoles.
vacuoles. vacuoles. The cell has finger like projections called, ma'am, how
Pseudopodia.
is it pronounced?
Pseudopodia.
Sorry,
Pseudopodia.
pseudopodia, pseudopodia or false feet, which helps it to move and capture food. When amoeba comes near food particles,
It's amoeba, beta.
pseudopodia, sorry ma'am, when amoeba comes near
Say
food
sorry, you're
particles,
learning. Hello, beta. You need not say sorry. Okay, just
uh,
repeat the word. That's it.
okay, when amoeba comes near food particle, pseudopodia is produced around the food particle. The food particle is trapped in a food vacuole. In the food vacuole, the food is digested by digestive enzymes and absorbed. The undigested waste is then sent out by the vacuole.
Good. Most probably today itself, I will be sending you the PDF of lesson number 2, the question answers. Is it clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Today itself.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
I will give you the long answer questions as well as the textual questions today itself.
ma'am,
So start writing. Yes, beta?
ma'am, can you send lesson number one PDF again?
Why?
मैम मैं वो ग्रुप में नहीं थी, कल ही रूबी मैम ने मुझे ऐड की, इसीलिए मेरे पास वो पीडीएफ नहीं है, मेरा हाफ इनकम्प्लीट है.
Lesson number 1 PDF you want? Because if I send it again, then it will look not okay. That's what I'm saying.
Ma'am, I also want PDF lesson
Ma'am,
number 1.
You
ma'am,
want the
I want
lesson number
one
Because,
too.
1 or you want the
Supriya
question answers? Hello? You want the
ma'am,
question answers or you want the complete chapter?
complete
Complete
chapter.
chapter.
Because, ma'am, in my mobile by mistake it's delayed.
So I cannot keep on doing this again and again. I will be sending in the
Ma'am, only one time send.
just a moment. Just a moment. I will be sending today the lesson number 1, complete chapter, then textual questions and LQ. Is it clear? This is what you want me to do?
Ma'am, वो IQ question answer.
No, IQ question I will not be there. Sorry. IQ question you have to go to the uploaded video. And this IQ question, the ones who have attended late or one who are newcomers, please take all these IQs from your friends if possible. Why I am not given
Ma'am, no
this?
one.
No, why I am not given this FAQs? Why? Because otherwise you will not go to the uploaded video. I want you to revise going to the uploaded video. That's a personally, this is what homework I've given you just now. Without going to the uploaded video, you won't be able to write it down. Okay, Rabia, will you be able to help these newcomers?
okay, ma'am. I don't have a
Uh,
number of this
so
newcomer.
can the
I
newcomer,
can message you.
beta, the newcomers please
Rabia
contact,
Bachchan.
just a moment, beta. Newcomers please contact Ruby ma'am.
Or else you
Newcomers
can
please
write in
contact
chat
Ruby
box
ma'am
her number.
or you just put it there
Supriya
in the
ma'am.
chat box.
Supriya
Yes
ma'am.
ma'am. Yes.
Please tell Rabia or anybody if anything new is given, forward it in the educational group, which I made a separate one just for
That she's
homework.
already done. That she's already done. That's what she's saying.
She's already
What
done.
is
So the,
what these children want? That these are the questions. Just see, ma'am. These are the questions,
okay.
right? These are present
Mm-hmm.
only in the video. There's uploaded
Okay.
video. I'm not
But
giving them,
okay, they can take a screenshot if possible.
but I don't want to do them to do that. Why? Because otherwise they
Okay.
will not go through the video, ma'am.
Okay. Okay.
As
Okay.
a
Okay.
revision part, as a revision, I'm making them do it. It's a
Okay.
compulsory.
Okay. Okay.
No shortcuts. Okay, ma'am. So
Okay.
Rabia.
the newcomers will not have these things. So I want like Rabia or someone else to help them out with this FAQs so they can write it
Okay,
down.
ma'am.
Newcomers, you can contact me. Send me hi on WhatsApp number so that I can add you in the group. Okay.
So they can get all the information from there.
Yes.
She's saying that you have already added her, but yesterday,
Okay.
so
Okay.
before that,
Yeah.
whatever
So
I had sent,
yes,
she does
yes,
not have.
yes, yes. I
Okay.
understand
Okay.
that.
Okay.
I
I even
understand that.
understand. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Supriya,
Okay.
ma'am.
Oh, yes,
Ma'am,
Beta.
can you
Ma'am, today is a test of science.
Yes, today is a test.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, only one lesson, no, chapter 1
Obviously,
only.
beta, you don't ask me question today like this. Obviously, yes.
Okay,
I
ma'am.
can't take off second lecture. Should I take off second lecture?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
You said no. Just now you said only of one lecture. So okay, I will take two lectures then if you wish.
No, no, ma'am.
No.
Okay, okay. Yeah, you are
Okay.
still small, small babies.
Shall I stop recording?
No, ma'am, still the 5 minutes remaining.
Oh, okay, okay, okay.
Okay, I will finish this slide and then you can. Now look at this beta. This is amoeba. What are these beta? Amoeba.
Hmm.
It's a unicellular organism, very small microscopic organism. You can see under the microscope only. These are the false feet. Can you see this? This is called as
Yes.
pseudopodia. What are they called as? Pseudopodia. This is a nucleus.
Yeah.
And this is a vacuole where the food is digested. Okay? You find all this organism in the pond. Okay, beta? Now look over here. This is the food particle. What is this, beta? Food particle.
Food
This has
part.
become the pseudopodia. What is this? Pseudopodia. What happens? See, it has become elongated. Can you see this? Can you see this or not?
Ma'am.
Yes.
See, this pseudopodia is elongated. Now see, it has covered up. Look at this. It has covered. Got it now? This is the food particle. Yes? Now what happens? This becomes the food vacuole. What it becomes? See, now the digestion will take place. It has gone inside the body and it has been digested and the body has used up. Now this is the waste. This is the waste which is undigested is thrown out of the body. See, it is thrown out of the body. The way it is ingesting, the way it is taking inside, the same way it is throwing it out. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you understood? This is a simple mechanism
Yes.
of nutrition in
Yes.
amoeba. Yes, one of you please read.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, sure.
Ma'am, can I?
Who is that?
Arthur Taran.
Taranu, you have read once or twice, I think so. Yes,
Ma'am.
better continue. Continue, I said.
Can I read?
Better let me finish the slide, make it fast. Hello,
Yes, ma'am.
start.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can I Maudesa Rajani?
Ma'am, can I do it,
Okay.
Fatima?
Huh? Over Fatima.
Ma'am, can I do it, Fatima?
Dholia Fatima. Okay, Dholia Fatima, start.
Okay, ma'am.
Put off your mic. Please put off your mic. Be careful, please.
Amoeba, a unicellular
No, better
animal,
stop it. Stop it.
angular.
Stop it. Stop it, please. Who will read?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
can
can
I
I
read
read?
fast?
Rabia,
Ma'am,
start.
Ma'am, can I Aina?
Ma'am, can I read?
Rabia,
Yes,
Aina.
ma'am.
Ma'am, can I
Amoeba,
read?
uh, amoeba, an unicellular
unicellular.
animal, engulfs tiny particles of food by using pseudopodia. Amoeba surrounds the food by pseudopodia and then makes a food vacuole to engulf the food.
Okay. Now, amoeba, you can see a unicellular animal. So it feeds on small organisms, for example, bacteria. See how you can see this? It's an alga. It is the food. This is the food. Okay. Then what happens with the help of pseudopodia? You can see this as the pseudopodia. This becomes the food vacuole. What it becomes with a food vacuole. And see, it has gone inside the body. Understood? Understood?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Text.
Yes.
है.
Now read this.
Ma'am, can I read?
No, let
Ma'am,
her
मेरा
continue,
turn
beta.
नहीं आया.
Let her continue.
As
Supriya,
in, can I read?
Supriya
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am,
1 minute.
Then
1 minute, ma'am.
Supriya ma'am,
Yes.
टेस्ट
Can
कब
I?
है?
After 11.
Okay.
Okay.
as
Yes.
an amoeba,
Ma'am, can I read?
Yeah. Make it
as an
fast, better.
amoeba, as an amoeba approaches food, pseudopodia form and eventually surround the food.
Can you see this? It surrounds the food. Next.
The food becomes enclosed in a food vacuole.
Can you see this? This is a food vacuole. Next.
Digestive enzymes break down the food and the nutrients diffuse into the cytoplasm.
So you can see this. Now this food will mix with the cytoplasm. These are cytoplasm. You understand? This will mix with
Yes.
the cytoplasm. Any problem so far?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so we come to close of today's lecture. Thank you for
Yes.
being with me for 2 lectures, better. Okay. Today itself, I will be sending you the lesson number 2 material. Okay.